we're gonna do a part 2 for bug bites. So I released another video on bug spray that you can use all over your body and your home or wherever you are around you. Today we're going to make a little roller ball for once you've already been bitten by a bug to like be able to roll on the bite itself and kind of just like neutralize it and make the itching stop. So let's get started. We're gonna start with peppermint. We're gonna do 5 drops of this. We're adding peppermint because peppermint is really good for cooling, so it'll kind of almost like act as like an ice type feeling on your bug bite to make the itching kind of stop. Next we're gonna do tea tree. This is an antiseptic, antibacterial, antifungal oil, and it is a natural antihistamine, so it's gonna really reduce the itching in that bug bite. So we're gonna do 20 drops of this. Next we're going to do lavender because it helps reduce pain and also calms your mind, so it will get you to stop thinking about it as much. We'll do 15 drops of this. Next we're going to do rosemary. Rosemary? Cool. Next we're going to do rosemary, which is an antihistamine as well, so that'll help with the itching and it will help reduce the swelling. Let's do 15 of this as well. Next we're going to do 5 drops of lemon. You're supposed to do lemongrass, but I don't have that. We're going to throw 5 drops of frankincense in there and 5 drops of bergamot. Okay, so your oils take up about 1/3 of your little container. So we're going to mix our witch hazel into this as well. And we're going to fill up to like another 1/3. And then I'm going to fill the rest up with water and then just mix it all around and you're good to go. And just rub it on any bites that you have. You're gonna add your roller top and that's it. Then we've got our handy dandy little printer here, Itch Relief. Print. Cut. Stick. And we're good to go. Anyways guys, I hope that this summer the bugs stay away from you, but if they don't, I hope you guys get some use out of this little hack and it works for you. If it does, please don't forget to like and leave in the comments if it worked and what other recommendations you have. Also, if you like this tip, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified every time I post a new tip. Thanks so much for watching guys. See you next week. Bye!